Hi guys, so today I want to share something really exciting that I found on Facebook Marketplace. Um, so I've been wanting to get a typewriter for so long, and I looked on eBay and they were like really pricey. I mean, not as pricey as compared to what they originally were worth, but for me they were expensive. So basically I found a typewriter. Duh, it's right in front of me. Yeah. So anyway, I found a typewriter, and on eBay they sell for like minimum $60, and then they have another shipping charges. So it was really exciting for me to find it on Facebook Marketplace because I could just go there and pick it up instead of having to pay like $50 for shipping. So yeah, I found this and I only got it for like how much did I get it for? I think I got it for like $30. But yeah, the lady was selling it for much more than that. But when I asked for it, she didn't even bargain. She was like, yeah, sure, take it. So anyway, I'm going to show you my new typewriter. And it's a Coronet Super 12. It's a Smith Corona. I looked it up online. It's by an American manufacturer, so it's an American typewriter, not those European typewriters. Or like I recently heard that China is starting to produce typewriters again because a lot of people are starting to get interested in like these vintage things, but they're not good quality. So if you buy an American or a European manufactured typewriter, that will be a better quality. So I'm lucky to have found this, and I'll show you how it works and everything. Okay. Okay, so first of all, it's not a manual typewriter, it's an electric typewriter. So here's the plug. It's a bit old, but yeah, that's what happens when you buy old stuff, which I like. I don't know what this is for, but anyway, I'm gonna plug that in and show you guys. It makes a really like a whirring sound. So we'll see that. So yeah, I think you can hear it. I hope you can hear it. It's like a whirring sound. And yeah, it types really well. I changed its what do you call it? Ink dispenser? Ink cartridge. Yeah, I changed the ink cartridge, this thing. So for that, there's this thing here. I just pressed it. Wait, what's going on? Okay, totally forgot. I have to take the top off and then I have to press it and then it would just come right off. Let me try without it. Oh, okay, it came off. So yeah. Ooh. So this is, I got a new ink tape or like cartridge. I remember my dad used to have a manual typewriter, so they had to change the ribbon, but this one had a cartridge. So I popped it back in, and yeah, it works pretty well. I'm gonna write something. Okay, so I'm standing behind my tripod, so it's a little difficult. So that's my name. And see this stuff. See, and another thing I'm going to show you. So you do this for that, moving it back and forth, and okay, and for moving it the other way, you do like this. Okay, and I'm going for taking out the paper, you do like, you turn this knob, and for putting paper back in, you put it here, and then you twist the knob, and you make sure to keep this thing at the back, otherwise it's going to, crinkle the paper. So you do it like this, and it also has a little holder. I don't know what you call that thing, this thing. Okay, so the paper can just lie like this, and yeah, you can type away. Oh shoot, it's got stuck. Yeah, this is my new typewriter, and I really like the color. And yeah, this is everything. This is the keyboard, this is the little knob thing, this is the, let me show you, the cartridge thing is right here. See? And taking the paper out. Oops, sorry, my thumb. Taking the paper out. So do this. This, and this is that thing which moves it back and sideways. And yeah, this is it.